Hope you all had an awesome weekend. Today I got some footage from Saturday when we played at Nyvång. This was supposed to be our last game at Nyvång before the 72-hour Milsim game, which unfortunately got cancelled. This was of course sad news for all of us in the team, and there's not really anything you can do except just sit one out. One thing for sure, it's not the last Milsim this year. We have more events coming up that me and my team will participate on. First round is capture and hold. There's 2 domination points with a white flag. Each team are to raise their corresponding flag color to gain control over the point. Each respawn is 1 point for the other team as well. And the weather was perfect. It was a bit cloudy, but there was definitely no wind at all. As some of you may see, I have a scope cam on my gun today. Unfortunately, I was fiddling around with my folder on my PC and accidentally deleted half of the day's recording from the scope cam. The rifle I'm using in the video is my brand new TM Scar-H, which I got from Eagle Sixx in UK. At the start of the game, I had a lot of issues which BB weight I should use for the gun, but later in the second game I swapped over to .46, and that's where things start becoming interesting. This is game 2. The objective now is to gather 10 flags that are scattered around the map. Whoever have the most flags by the end of the round wins the game. This guy tries to sneak up behind me. I shoot him a couple of times, and he just turns around and walk away without saying anything or pick up his def frag, so I never knew if he was hit or not.
En vid tornet.
We pushed up and I laid down under this some kind of table, as you can see in the top left corner, and I got a lot of enemies from this position, and it didn't seem like they knew where I was shooting from, which was quite funny. Unfortunately, my helmet cam runs out of batteries here. I think it's funny seeing how confusing they look.
Fy fan! De vet inte vad jag är. Jävla skrikande. Är de fattar? De tror jag är där emellan springan.
I missed the player, hit the fence, and I guess the ricochet hits a player running up next to the fence. Because immediately after my BB hit the fence, he looks backwards like he's being shot from the back.
Nej, ner. Han är ute i kiosken! Han är ute.
The organizers threw a yellow smoke, which means gas attack, so everyone in the area is dead, so we had to respawn, but I managed to go out to the safe zone and grab new batteries for my helmet cam.
Han är ute. Två sista. Ute vid huset. De kan ha sprungit runt. Men de...
The scope cam died here, so I would definitely use the power bank for the next game so I can record longer with my scope cam. Unfortunately, you're just gonna have to deal with my helmet cam for the rest of the video. When you're peeking a corner with a pistol, it's always good to make sure that you have a full ammo in the gun. I had to reload quickly here. There's a group of Sixx going out of their spawn, and from where I'm sitting I can see straight down where they're going. Unfortunately, this is all I have for this video. I accidentally deleted a lot of the footage from the day, and I was very mad about it, and hopefully I can make it up to you on my next video. Next weekend you can find me or my friends at Nyvång on Saturday, and on Sunday we will eventually attend to outside CQB field. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked the video, make sure you like it. You can even subscribe to my channel if you want updates. If you want to ask something, feel free just to comment below. And have a nice week, everyone.